is video to be. We need to walk right there where the main gate. Have another gate this area. But this time, we need to walk this area. The main gate. More people walking. Main gate right there. That's the main gate right there. Gate na gate. It's the main gate. Tapos yun. Gate na doon. Highway. Ay. Paglagas mo ng gate guy, may mga tricycle na dyan, no? Sa likod ko. Tapos doon, I think highway going to Baclaran. Highway na doon din. Dapat ng 7-Eleven. Isang kanto na yan pupuntang Arista. Sa puti pala doon. Doon Baclaran doon. Ito yung Santa Monica Chapel. Mag-laundry ako doon. Pahanap na ako ng malapit lang kayo kasi Arista na doon. Arista na yan doon kayo. Cooking breakfast guys. Rice cooker, we cook rice yesterday. This one have ano guys, oven. The oven is working but I'm not cooking that big. But this one is not working. We cook over here. Usually the kitchen bay is small. In Aliyah, very big kitchen. Cooking out. We cook has brown bread for my husband. Mine banana and bread. Daming container. Laundry ko guys. Different laundry dito sa may highway na naman siya. No signal ang TV. Sound trip, music, and neighborhood.
Expert. So I'm calling in Mike, who actually does know something about samurai swords, and I'm going to find out how much money I lost. Hey, just the man I'm waiting to see. Why don't you shed some light on these for old Ricky over here? Ricky, don't look very happy. Yeah, apparently I don't need you anymore because Trump knows everything there is to know about swords now. Nah, I told you to call me if you ever needed some help. It was basically make a deal on these swords and get them now or don't get them. The guy was in a hurry. He had
Always have music there this area. I heard Unreal. To going to Baclaran siya. Usually 10 minutes by car from here. 51 minutes to from here to Baclaran. My husband told me to take a Grab. But in the gate, guy, I need to walk like 7 minutes from the condo. Have public transportation already, so we do a jeepney going to Baclaran, then taking a Grab. I think 15 peso only. If you take a Grab, that costs 250. So much better walk. Get the public transportation. Hindi, sukli. Tren dumaan. Ng Sumbaw. Here na guys. Back from Baclaran. We going to the church in Baclaran. We use jeepney guys. 13 peso pa sa akin. Going there. Imagine mo 13 pesos. So back and forth is 26. 49 cents. If you ride the Grab that day, you need to spend 600 back and forth. $12 back and forth. And then if you ride a jeepney only 49 cents. Oh, see? Ay, 50 cents. cents only kay compared to $12. Big saving. So that's why if I'm going alone, I use public transportation. Hi guys, we're here na guys from Baclaran. We going to the church today guys and then do shopping. This is the third time to do shopping. Thank you, mahal. First, we put that area guys. This one. This one. And then 25 pesos. Okay. The other one, I have no choice. This is the available. Looking me roaming around. And this one is 45. And I go the other guy. They sell me this guy 250. And then they go me the other side that is selling everything over there. Look, 45 pesos. Their price is 5 times. Yeah, the other, we asked how much is, because no price. They sold 250. So expensive. $5. And then, good thing I found the store that look like the store selling everything over there, and then the price very cheap. 45 pesos only. This one, I give this one the real. This one 65 pesos. 8 bun? No. Oh my goodness. Andrea is watching my video. They told me that I kita watching your video. So that's why they don't know what to give him. Oh my goodness, Andrea. And look, I found this guy. I really like guys. Look. How much this? 50 pesos guys. Very nice. 50 pesos. We got hope. Very nice man. 50 pesos. Why? Have done for you. I'm so happy. Next, I put this guy. Last time, the other ceiling 100. And looking me roaming around, and I found the woman over there. This is, oh, come discount. I told them her price is 75 guy. And then I told I buy 3. They give me 50. So this one 50 pesos. Reason why I bought this is I give this to ano. Nen and alone. Because sisi don't wear naman sisi like this. And I buy mango. Have mango and bread over there for 40 pesos. Ensaymada 16 pesos. Price related. This one pricey guy daan eh. This is 60 pesos eh. 2 pieces. 140 lang kilo. I bought this guy, only one available. 50 pesos. This look like ano eh. Remember I told you we need to buy this because if I'm going me outside to gardening, they wear me like that. And this is the last one left. Next. I buy something. Chanel. It is big. 150 guys. It's fine, right? It's not heavy. Ah, you like MCO? I It's not heavy. I wear this tomorrow. Nice? 150 to $2.25. I know. 150. Yeah, $2.50, something like that. How much? 150. Divide 58. I love shopping in Baclaran. This one. I shop this. I shop this guy. This one guy, Rosary today. This is a Rosary bracelet. This one's 25 short. The other one 15 for the key. The other one 20. This one Rosary siya ba? 165. And this one we go to this api and they give me one pieces free because we buy this lot. Everything this guy is 300. This one we buy this Rosary because this one I give to leave him alone. And this one. This one 50 pesos. This one 50 also. This one. 25, yeah, 25 guys. Ay, 20 ka lang. 20 lang guys, isang ganito. 20 pesos. 20 pesos lang. 1 piece. Tsaka dito pang bata. So ate give me one for free. Because we buy nila to him. To her. Everything this is ano 300. And that's it though. How much we spend a week? That's it then. We need to compute how much we spend a day. We spend guy 1,060 for everything. That is a good deal. Lot of people guy in Baclaran in the church roaming around, very crowded. Sunday to here, 21. God is from now, Christmas now. Thank you so much guys, sa mga viewer and subscriber. And see you to our next video. Bye guys.